Assalamu alaikum, come and see. Let's get ready for Salah with me. Clean and happy, bright and true. First we start with Wudu. Wash, wash, wash your hands. Clean them nice and slow. Rinse, rinse, rinse your mouth. Swish the water, go! Clean your little nose. Sniff and blow it out. Wash your smiling face. Splash it all about. Wash your arms up to the elbow. Right arm first, then left we go. Wipe your head, nice and slow. Clean your ears so you can know. Wash your feet, don't forget toes. Right foot first, then left one goes. Wudu done, let's go. Wudu done, let's go. Now we're clean from head to toe. Wudu done, let's go to pray. Stand up tall and say it clear. Allahu Akbar, Allah is near. Bow down low in ruku. Thank you, Allah, we love you. Stand back up and praise again. Allah listens